before the social distancing and stay at home was in effect, and we were having our last house church meeting, Chef Averriel Thomas of Fat Creole Tomato was still in town from the event that we did together. So I was fortunate enough to have him over to my home to share his awesome recipe for shrimp Creole. I also wanted to share with you how you can make your own restaurant quality dish at home using the chef's simple recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 3 pounds of shrimp, half a cup of celery, a cup and a half of yellow onions, a cup of diced bell peppers, a cup of green onions, 4 cloves minced garlic, 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 4 tablespoons of flour. You're also going to need 3 cups of seafood or chicken stock. Now, let's get started.
So to prepare the shrimp Creole, first we start with equal parts flour, equal parts oil. Put it in a pan, we heat it to make a roux. We start with a peanut color roux and get down to a dark chocolate colored roux. From there we add our vegetables, celery and onion, bell pepper first. We saute that in the roux for 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Not until it's translucent, but until it caramelizes a little bit. From that point we add garlic and the tomato paste. We saute the tomato paste and the garlic and the vegetables together another 5 minutes until it becomes fragrant. Then we add the chopped tomatoes, bay leaf, thyme, and more of the salt and pepper. We stir and we continue the mix. We add the shrimp stock, 3 cups to that mix. We add the Worcestershire sauce. We bring to a boil. From there, we let that stew and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes to come up to flavor.
While the sauce was stewing, Chef Thomas seasoned the shrimp with dry thyme and Toni Chachére's Creole seasoning.
Then we take our 21-25 shrimp, 3 to 4 pounds, and we add it to the pot at the end.
The very last thing the chef added was the green onions, leaving a little bit left in the bowl for garnishing.
We turn the fire off, stir twice, put the lid on, cover, come back in 5 minutes, serve on top of white steamy rice.
The chef used the rest of the green onions to garnish on top, and my church group got a mouthful of deliciousness. Since we're all staying close to home these days, next time try treating your family to this delicious meal. Close your eyes and you'll all swear that you're out at a fine restaurant. I would also like to ask for a collective prayer for the place where this dish originated, my hometown of New Orleans. This crisis we're facing has spread so rapidly there throughout our country and throughout the whole world. Let's take responsible actions, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us. And let's all focus our thoughts on the safety and health of all of us. As we can see, we're all connected. This world is one body. This body is intelligent, powerful, and filled with love. We have everything we need to heal. So let's all work in unison. Do what we know we can do to help, and let's all say a prayer that our body will be healthy and whole again.